Moporesidente Cyril Ramaphosa o rotloeditse maAforika Borwa go nna a tiile moko mo ngwageng o mošwa le mororo go nnile le dikgoreletsi di le mmalwa monongwaga. A re puso e dirile go tlala seatla go lwantsha bonweenwee le go busa madi a utswilweng. A re ikonomi le yona ya itharabologelwa morago ga leroborobo la COVID-19.
Our economy is beginning to grow again and is now larger than it was before the pandemic. Over the past year, around 1.5 million new jobs were created. The presidential employment stimulus has provided opportunities to many people in our country and is growing and thriving. We're improving the business operating environment and attracting new investment. We are undertaking reforms in the operation of our ports and railways and in our telecommunications, as well as our water and electricity sectors. And these are sectors that drive our economy. Let us keep going and keep trying, no matter how difficult it gets. By working together, we can and will rebuild our country. We can and will improve our economy and improve the lives of our people. Wherever you are at this time, I wish you a happy, prosperous, and peaceful 2023.